This is the home screen. At the top of the screen is the date and time. At the bottom of the screen are the soft keys. These are dynamic and change depending on what function you are performing. When not connected on a call, they are programmed on the left-hand side with call history. It will display View if you have missed calls and History if you do not have missed calls. And on the right-hand side is your line key. When you are connected on a call, they will offer call controls. If you're in a menu, they will present menu options. This is the navigation key. It has multiple functions. We will go through these functions in the training segments. You can also utilize to navigate through the phone's menu. It has 4 arrows: up, down, left, and right, and a select key in the center. The speaker key is used to toggle between the speakerphone and handset function on your phone. This is the messages key. This is used to view your missed calls and voicemail messages. We use the green answer key to answer and make a call and to access our redial list. The red hang-up key is used to end a call, and when held down for 2 seconds will turn the phone off or on. We can also use this key to wake up the screen and to exit a menu. You can use the dial pad to enter numbers or letters into your phone. If you hold down the asterisk key for 2 seconds, you will silence the ringtones on your phone. Repeat to turn the ringtones back on. The trans key is used to initiate a call transfer. Pressing the mute key mutes any noise from your phone. You can hear the caller, but the caller will not hear you.